Ndị be anyị na-abọọlachi. Anyị sị ka ọ dịrị unu na mma. Anyị sị ka nke onye chikwelu ya zelu. Dịka o si dị, ya bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si bịa na uhuruchi nketa iwetara unu ya bụ ozi gbasara maka ihe na-eme na the Old Eastern Region. Dịka unu anụ ka o si ada, nwanne anyị nwoke wetara anyị ozi n'elu akwụkwọ. Nke ahụ o wetara bụ, o kwuru sị na ndị Nigerian gọọmenti bụ nke onye isi fa bụ President Bola Ahmed Tinubu fa agbago nkịtị na atụmatụ ndị mmadụ na-eche gbasatara maka ka ga-esi budata Maazị Simon Ekpa bụ the Biafran Prime Minister. Nigerians get into asking if it is Jubril or Buhari that passed. Hear the news in details. Because oya masim ka ige ya bo podcast one night woke. Ifo wetera ino bosi uruchi nketa. O mepele top secret things ga shock onye obuna na Nigeria. He unveiled some top secrets about the game ndaji ndị mmadụ eme n'obodo. Because o were fine me lapia ge ya bife. Ige se ya react ya n'ife ani n'okwu. Over to you, sir.
When he was offered a lot of things, when they couldn't kill him, and he rejected, so they set off for another second round of a manhunt. But before that, he had an interview, remember, with Dele Momodu, right? Okay, I'm going to share that with you, okay? Describing what happened to BOKOHARI in his own words.
Buhari is dead and buried in a shallow grave in Saudi Arabia. Aisha Buhari was there. She came back from what they called a lesser Hajj. She was wearing black. She was mourning. If you look at the pictures that were circulated at that point in time, you will see the smug, or should I say, the forlorn faces of northern governors. A minute silence was held at the AU for a late Buhari. Even Her Britannic Majesty Queen Elizabeth II also penned a condolence message to the people of Nigeria before the cabal took over and asked her to rescind it, which she did. Buhari is dead, and I'm prepared to stake Biafra on it. If you, Dele Momodu, can go and prove to me, I'm not asking you to do anything too complex. If you can go and ask this man you call Buhari, whoever it is in Asorok, to come outside, don't do very much, address a panel of Nigerian youths, maybe 20 of them, and speak Buhari's mother tongue, which is Fulfude. I will give up Biafra, I will apologize to him, and I will submit myself to any authority on this earth to do with me as they please. There is no Buhari. Jubril was there. Jubril followed Abba Kyari to Cuba and ran away from there and never came back. The man you have now in Asorok is from Niger Republic. His name is Yusuf Abubakar Muhammad. That's his name. Yusuf Abubakar Muhammad. Even Shekau knows who he is personally and was mentioning his name as well. It is not Buhari. Buhari is dead. And
it is Yusuf Abubakar. People couldn't believe their ears. Like, how is that possible? Until tomorrow, we still have people who are like, but you just need to do something, like he said. So I must have even misheard him. Because me, I was like, he's asking BOKOHARI to come and do DNA. He didn't ask for DNA. He said the moment BOKOHARI returned back from that 2017 surgery, suddenly he couldn't speak his mother's language anymore. He couldn't speak his mother's tongue anymore. He couldn't speak his local language anymore. Fufude. But he can speak Hausa, a lot of them speak Hausa anyway. That's some effed up, shit that a lot of people find so difficult to actually process. Like, no, they can't just take it. It's. Then he said, ask him to address the people in his mother's tongue. That's it. They continue to replace and replace body double, hyperrealistic mask and all of that. So that was the birth of Jibril al-Sudani. Jibril al-Sudani from Sudan, Yusuf Abubakar from Niger, and they have used series of people. He said, there is more. This is why they wanted him dead. This is why they this is why they no longer feel like he's just a noisemaker. So those of you who don't understand why they became so aggressive against somebody who is just saying things that they consider irrelevant, but somehow huge resources is deployed to track him down, to shut him down, to kill him. Why? Like if he's just saying all these things and they are not real, you get what I mean? Like nobody should be moved that much, because even in Nigeria, Nigerians themselves pretty much didn't care. Do you understand? Like they are not bothered. They are not making any demand on BOKOHARI. It's not under pressure. So why did they want Nnamdi Kanu dead by all means? So that is where, we're going to go to next. Why, Mazi?
I want people to go to Getty Images, picture number 468259686. This is from Getty Images. If you call them, have you seen it? The number, I'll give it to you once again. I will give you the number once again. The number is 468259686. Have you got it? Absolutely. Go and have a look at it.
Yes.
Have you seen it?
Yes.
I want anybody that can see this picture clearly to please tell me, is this man here that you're seeing the face in any way Buhari? That you know?
No.
Is this man Buhari?
Not at all.
Is this man Buhari? I'm asking you.
No.
Is this man Buhari?
No.
We are coming. The zoo is in very serious mess. They are in a very, very serious mess. That man is not Buhari, is it?
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
This picture was taken in 2015. You know what they did? They called Getty Images to come and take this picture. Do you know that? They called them to come and take this very picture. You can see it here. Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Now listen. That thing you're seeing, is that Buhari to you?
No. No.
Is that Buhari to you?
No.
This is the most shocking part of it.
It's very, very.
When I was researching this, I thought they brought Jibril in 2017 after he died. As I dug deeper, I discovered they brought Jibril in 2015. 4 of them. That one you saw was one of them. And this is how you know. This picture was taken in Abuja on April 1, 2015. 2015. Listen, Nigeria's new president-elect, Muhammadu Buhari, and then I ask everybody, is this man here Buhari to you?
No.
Is this young man here Buhari to you?
No. No possible.
This is not doctored, this is Getty Images. They started since 2015. They knew Buhari was not well and about to die. And what my good friend said, Fanika Yode, is that any Fulani Ibedintis that goes into office will die in office. Out of shame, they said that thing that Obasanjo did to them by giving them sick Yaradua. Yaradua died, Jonathan took over. He will not do it to them again with Buhari. So they started to prepare on time. Is it making sense to anybody?
Yes.
Is it making sense now?
Yes.
They brought in this thing from heaven knows where. 2015. This image will cost you £375. So it's not fake, it's authentic.
Yeah.
Nearly $500 it will cost you. That the world may know that we are IPOB and that the zoo must fall. These very people started since 2015. And in case you are telling me that this man, oh, it is not possible, oh, he's just there or thereabout, I have proof. Definitive proof that this man was actually signing documents. And to make matters worse, they brought another one as well.
Ngwanu dalo nine no ụmụnne m dịka unu si na-esoro anyị n'Igbo Media. Gịnị ka unu nwere ikwu na nkọwa nke unu gbasara maka ihe unu nọ n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa? Gwa anyị ife iche n'ụdị nke gị. Deela ya n'akara kọmentị ka mara ihe i chere, ma chetakwa tụsa ya bụ ozi ka o wereta ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị. Ndewo na ụmụnne m, ka emesịanụ.